Welcome back to another technical video. Today we'll be going through your question, answering it, and hopefully finding that solution that you need. Guys, remember to stay just a little bit crazy just like me, and hopefully get through to that resolution. Let's get started. And that's it, guys. We've gone through. I hope you found your resolution and found the answer you're looking for. If it helped, please hit subscribe. I really appreciate it. And be on the lookout for more technical help videos. Have a good one.